Hey everyone, my name is Normey Jay, singer-songwriter for the tribes of 𝘾𝙤𝙢𝙢𝙪𝙾. I'm now here in Jumbun doing a workshop with the youths about mental health and a healthy lifestyle. We've been writing some music today. We've been writing songs, ideas, how the children love and what they do in Jumbun. Yeah, it's just here to empower, bring them up, stop, stay away from the negativities, stuff like that, and just embracing who they are as Jumbun and just being strong. Yeah, and the workshop is we're gonna be doing some recording, and they get to perform the song with me on, I think it's an anniversary coming up, and yeah, that'd be good. These kids are full of respect. They have a little joke here and there and sometimes, but they are real focused. I can see they are focused, and we're gonna record from scratch. Today I think it's at the 𝙐𝙤𝙤𝙮 with Nick, and we're just gonna, basically what we're gonna do is just record a copy, and then we could take it to a professional studio in Cairns, and that'd be another opportunity for them to experience that type of positive way in music. Yeah, so you can expect to hear the song in a couple of months. That will be the highlight of my performance.